Previously on Lost.
I am on my very first solo dual sport adventure in the woods. Oh, gotta love this Oregon that we live in, that I live in. Frickin' bug right in the eyeball. Look at that waterfall, it's not falling right now. I'm also looking for camping sites while I'm up here. Talk so much, you're gonna get a boring ass video of me talking and there won't be any time in the video for me writing. That's a douchey thing to say. Thanks for coming with me, guys. It's cool to be able to share this with you. Guys and gals, human beings. Thanks for coming with me, guys. It's cool to be able to share this with you. Guys and gals, human beings. The only thing I don't like about these SR4 jeans is they ride real low in the back. I feel like I got plumber crack going on right now. It's like I'm less concerned with people seeing my butthole and more concerned with it's fucking cold. It's that side road we took last time, the super muddy one with the mud or the snow thumbnail. That's where it's at. But where we want to go was up here. Up here is where we got turned around. I forget how much longer it took us to get up here. Oh, we're getting on Gordon Road. I was on that a couple weeks ago, or last week with my kid. We went to Gordon Lake. Gordon Lakes, there's two of them. Could I have gotten this far on my own without navigation? There's a couple of those junctions that looked similar, so I probably would have had doubts. So I wouldn't go 100%, but 75% sure. Low bridge. There's a bunch of free firewood. Right at the base of another road. How far up does a campsite need to be before you can be reasonably assured that you're not going to be bothered by people? Definitely want to try that dispersed camping. I want to try it off the bike maybe. I just don't have saddlebags or anything, and so I don't know how I would get. I've got one dry bag that I could strap to the back, but I can't get all my camping gear in that. So wear that in a big backpack. Definitely going to overload my bike though because I am not a small man. It's pretty close to its max capacity with me on it anyway. But if you took it easy, probably be fine, right? Hey, how often do you guys maintain your chains on your dual sports? I don't do it every time I go. I try to do it often because I know, especially when I've been in the mud or the super dust or the sand, but maybe every other time I do it. Sometimes I squirt a little lube on in between. That's what she said. This is a great view too. Cool rock face up there. It's just these mountains. These are just hills anyway. I'm not even in the mountains yet. That's second gear. There you go. Why do you hate downshifting so much? CRF. Kind of cool. I mean, there's something to be said for just getting on the bike and going and exploring like when I was a kid. I was more in a truck than on a bike, but it's also kind of cool to be able to fucking look at Google Maps and be like, what's that thing? And see what road comes close to it and then put a route to it and ride up there and find like hidden bodies of water and stuff. So, you know, I can see either way, but when you're exploring on your own, this forest is so dense you can miss something like 50 yards away easy. But with the satellite view, you can spot it. And that cool 3D topographic thing you can do on Google Maps now, you can find like vistas at like high points, like peaks where you can ride up to and look out over. You can see how high something is my point because the elevation is included. And that is pretty cool. Definitely, I checked the temperature in Cascadia, but you know, like 1,000 feet above that, so it tends to get cooler. Definitely need to put on stuff that's too warm for the bottom when I come up here. That's all right. A couple weeks it's gonna be fucking 90 degrees, so I'll be in full mesh gear. Or this outfit would probably be good up to 75 or so. And I can always wear my dirt bike stuff, which is vented. I just feel like I'm in more danger of a slide, even on gravel, than I am of, you know, falling off and hitting a rock. So it's a different kind of protection. Okay, this is where we got stuck. And we're going this way. This is where we got turned around, right here. Because this was all snow. It is not all snow right now. So, Duck fan, if you're watching, that's the spot. This was fresh, not fresh snow, but untouched virgin snow. No ruts or anything. I wonder if there's a campsite off that right side. It'll be worth checking out. Oh, that looks like a good spot. Anything that's been lightly traveled, like the grass has grown up, you gotta feel like people don't go up there very often. So secluded is good as possible. All right, so I haven't been up here before. I want to see how close we were to the top because we felt like we were pretty close based on the map. Hi, birds. 12 miles up. Oh, that's a promising spot. Look how overgrown that is. Right after the 10 line sign. We had a good spot up there. Yeah. Oh, there's a little pond up here to the left. Oh, shit. Oh, That was tight. That was close. Now look at your navigation. Look at the fucking road, you dipshit. It's got to be coming out of that, or that stream is coming out of it, maybe? No? It's flattening up a little bit. Let's see. Maybe I'll be able to see it. Forget I'm on the dual sport sometimes. It fucking takes that bump a little bit better than the Versys would have. Although the Versys could get up here this far, it's all gravel, I would go a little slower, take it real easy around the corners, but she could do it. I could get my moto camping shit up here on it, but if I'm going to go that far... Alright, there's definitely a little pond over here, so let's look. Oh, this is not my road, I don't think. I don't see the pond. I wonder if you can... That little road right there goes through. Again, this is a party spot, it's not a camping spot. Oh, stop it. Stop it, recenter. I don't even see that pond. Oh, there it is. Past it, I think. Or it's up the road a little bit. So I wonder if it's up there. I don't know. You can look. What if there's a cool spot up there? It's a little bit sketchy. Not too bad. That's the kind of road I'd like to go up to find a camping spot, though. No, let's just go up a little way. Turning around isn't too hard. Well, I love getting under that thing. I don't see much. This fucking branch is a booch. Rear brake. Get it behind you. Go. Oh, right in my fucking face. Yeah, that's worse. Taking this branch in the eyeball. So far, not a great decision. This doesn't go anywhere. Alright, well, let's turn around then. I'll get back past that fucking tree. I should have gone around the other side. I just can't get low enough. Okay, well, so we're going this way. Thank God for helmets and visors, yeah. I just pinch flat myself, did I? That would put an end to your precious field trip real quick. Oh, it looks pretty flat. Just waterboarded myself. It's okay. It's a great party spot. Great spot to come park your travel trailer. Not a good spot for tent camping. Too exposed, too hot. Not my ideal. Part of this ride was a loop on the highway. I think with as low as that tire is, because I never adjusted it after we did all that sand riding. I think I might come back instead of going out to the highway. It's about 10 psi. Oh, here's that pond. Shit. More of a marsh than a pond right now. So we want to go straight, yeah? Oh, look at that. What are these guys doing up here? Hiking? Trying to find that beaver pond. And my waypoint out here is around where the road goes, because I couldn't put a waypoint on the actual pond because it's not on a road as far as Google Maps can tell. Which is why we think it might be a good camping spot. Oop. Where are we now? 15 miles off the highway. These roads up here, if you go up high enough, that's a promising spot. Oh shit. We'll go all the way over to Highway 226. Mackenzie Highway. Wow. That's awesome, you guys. Yeah, definitely had some winter up here. The road is a little worse for wear. You're welcome. Just says thanks. Yeah, that's not creepy. I don't even see anything that kind of looks like a road. I would go up a road with a sketch level of up to 5. But I mean, other than that, I'm not going to go by myself. Can't look at this view, though. Look at this shit. Wow. That's fucking awesome. It's awesome, you guys. There's a trail. Twin Buttes Trail, huh? That is not a fucking trail. Would you park right here? Shit, bitch. Not a good trail. The first section's enough to make me go, nah, bitch, nah. Beer bottle, that's promising. You know what I mean about trying to find a spot without people? It's hard up here. Stuff gets used. I thought coming on a weekday would help. It's a little chilly. Well, this is cool. This is the road. Well, this is the way I'm supposed to keep going. It's paved right here. Share the road indeed. Whoa, shit nuggets. That would be rough to get around on a car. It is chilly. Chipmunk. It's warmer with this closed. I don't know why I keep opening it. I want to smell the forest, damn it. Oh, we're down a bar of gasoline. Filled it up before I left the house. Lawnmower gas, the finest 5-year-old lawnmower gas. So let's hope that that's okay. All right, there'll be a road off to the left up here somewhere soon. That stuff is not, it's not chainsawed. It's like someone's just driving over it and crushing it. There's that road. It's easy to see. It's marked even. Huh. Okay. See the pond. So let's see if we can get up there. This is not good on this low inflation, I'm guessing. Not good. Take it easy, fatty. So this is like sketch level 4. If it was a little more tree covered, I would worry. Foliage. Mostly worried about pinch flats right now. You can tell because I mentioned it like 11 times. I feel like that pond is not going to be up here. It's going to be down a significantly long cliff. So maybe I can't get to it after all. Looks like it's that way. Cool spot to see stuff.